Alright, we have a ordinary looking vending machine that has two locks installed in it. First is the standard stock lock that comes with vending machines, and then it also has a programmed lock that uses the buttons on the front of the machine to open it up. So if you hit the right sequence, it unlocks it, and you can open it up, and it reveals a gun locker, and with storage shelves to the side as well as the bottom. And you can see that the lock is a deadbolt, so it sends a steel rod up into the bottom there to keep it locked. You can also use the regular lock here to keep it locked.